Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on my very long journey of making traditional Czech Christmas cookies for a Christmas present. A quick disclaimer. Babi, je to překvapení. Pro tátu nic neříkej. My Czech is so bad. And just so you know, these cookies actually taste better when they've sat for a couple weeks, so I am making them quite far in advance before Christmas. The recipe calls for a single egg yolk. How interesting that it makes 36 cookies with one egg yolk. I'm totally not using a scale to divide every single one equally. That's not something I would do at all. I'm watching Avatar: The Last Airbender while I'm doing this because it takes hours. How did I end up with literally double what I needed? These look about the right size. I don't know how that happened. I take a ball of dough to form them, squish it together, and roll it out a bit. So I pat them on either end, just bend it. Mom, just start calling me Butterfingers because every time I order butter, I get frustrated because I don't soften it, and then I start using my hands, and my hands feel like butter for 3 weeks after. So the recipe I'm using for this type of cookie wasn't in English, and it wasn't actually in Czech, it was in Slovakian. So my mom couldn't read it, I obviously couldn't ask my dad, and so I had to just plug it into Google Translate to find out what it said. Luca, take it down! Nobody's gonna lick everything! I chose to use star and heart cookie cutters, and I'm gonna use the heart for the hole in the middle of the heart, and I'm gonna try to use a star in the middle of the star. Every solid shape, you need one that's cut out. I just checked the recipe, and it's a lot of sugar that we do not have. It's like just barely enough. I've recruited my sister to grinding the cloves manually, which, to be honest, I don't think it's gonna work. We bought hazelnuts specifically for this, but we can't find them, so I'm using almond flour. Something isn't right, obviously. So I looked at some more recipes, and like half of them have eggs and half of them don't. So I'm just gonna add an egg and we're gonna see what happens. So we're adding milk. We don't have Madeleine molds, so I'm gonna do one test bake, trying out different molds and stuff and see what works. It wasn't silicone.